Ebusian for aha a year Kintu TV, Mammonim Kintu TV. Yinya eje akunya se ya no memu nsama etwebu na ye de bro na wo so anya bieti ne wahu ne ekoso ewo wiase afana ene Ghana afana na busianfo ye ne enim se fiti 2024 aye wo 2026 na ye 22nd ya ye wo 22nd May NDC eba ye de NPP for and sheda and na sinka so ye dwen ho ewo nyoma bi ho na anything NDC for eba power pe NHS omode yomadwen se eye de a omo hwe eye galamse ho nsensam a ekoni ade no ombetu ha na mo ye pa na ye nenim se chema wontumi a cheso ye NDC chairman oye NPP chairman ewo eye Asante region ono ena NDC fu echese na ye freche ma wontumi echina na ye fre no nsam de ayi bebre na enumu ena ye chema wontumi cheso copy mu court na copy mu court no nsama ebeto ye ponso nyanjebre na yenje nsam no nchimu yi ankasa ewia na ewo bia ne so yebesan so ede abrel
na watintim wadanse ensem die gu adanse krata so na ye bisa wo nsem bisa de fa wankasa wadanse krata watwere na eno na wogina court ede tai de oboko adu no echidom na wo so nim nipa kra wo twere de ma ye very interesting entibra proceedings NDC the jurisdiction 1 yeah the town number forest case there was a chairman by 1 o'clock osan ba jurisdiction 4 ho ene ka case eno the summer boy case entibre bia no ya na ehia me pese me ma the differentiation between the two cases is very clear. Summer boy case no na attorney general file charge ti ano say to me krata ye di two former goodie wasase so no dey akonta mining ene chema won't me kura no but Lands and Natural Resources Ministry and afei anti-galamsey task force ebo wura asase no so say omo eko akwakoye ehwehwemu no nipa foforo no mokoto se wono etu fomo gudie wasase no so omo nipa ne din komo nipa ne say chairman wuntumi ne na konta mining ene edane asase no so tumi de ma won say o wakwanya se otu fomo gudie wasase no so eno ena atoni general gina so say there bi Ghana emra enhyehyeye da ho wo fomo gudie tuo se obi ekogi tumi krata se me tu fomo gudie wasase so na medrum pempenso bi se me pese nipa foforo be ka me ho ana nipa foforo ebesi manamu betu fomo gudie wasase so a age se nipa no a originally tumi krata no kra no assign back to the authorities involved in mining, either the Lands and Natural Resources Ministry and now say the Minerals Commission na obeji tumi krata se me pese me danes asase na metu so fomo gudie edema sumasi na ono so etu sa gudie no bi. In this case, according to the Attorney General, Chama wuntumi ama meji tumi krata no no agina ne tumi Sudan asase no edema yewura Henry Okum ene the mining consultancy services say omuntu efomo gudie wasase so enti wo ha the Attorney General enyabre afre all the witnesses. Henry Okum no na oye witness, the general manager of sa company na oye witness, now a worker of the Minerals Commission omunjina do ma dance yensem ebetu dwa. So the onus lied on Chairman Wuntumi so also be friend the witnesses here, a friend of the defense witness omo na ebe kire se kwan do Attorney General bono enyina mraso enyina brane ya esese asem no ebudi bono enti no last week na the Honorable George Mrekuduka, former Western Regional Minister, former Deputy Minister for Lands and Natural Resources Ministry, Edia Dansi Edema Chairman Wuntumi, now Engineer Wisdom Gomashi, formerly of the Minerals Commission, an expert in mining engineering, also be Edia Dansi Edema Chairman Wuntumi. And then Ankasa, the chairman himself, and the mount to the witness box. Now, according to lawyer Andy Apia Kobi, evidence here, Chairman Wuntumi a prodigal court no. 1, he bamboozled the Attorney General. 2, Nipa na etwehye mu court were bamboozled by the quality of evidence presented by the man who's been accused, Chairman Bernard Nkibu. 3, the judge was even stunned. Kwanya na Chairman Wutumi Elfa so yin nsem go ho. Eyen nsem ben ye dien. Yenkoni yenkohwe. Interviewer, lawyer Andy Apia Kubi, senior lawyer representing Chairman Wutumi in these 2 cases. If you go ho.
I invited you to the courtroom. You didn't come. You have missed the fun. Myself, a lawyer, this is the first time I found my client in the box and bamboozling all of us. It was such a spectacle. I want to commend him highly for the excellent evidence he gave to the court. So we are very happy that it has all come to an end. That is the star witness in this case. In other words, Chairman Wutumi's evidence super. So we are happy. Nevertheless, we don't bring out the judgment, but we know that we have done our due. We pray the court for leave to file 2 more witness statements of our witnesses, and we intimated to the court that we still want to rely on the evidence of such witnesses. And indeed, the court granted our prayer that we should file our witness statements by the 28th of May, and then bring our witnesses into the box for the continuation of the case. We are thankful to you. You give us motivation always, and you support our cause. I want to believe that you will report accurately what happened in court. In fact, I have applied for a record of proceedings. I'll share with you so that you will make references to the record of proceedings. Indeed, it has been a very wonderful display of emotions and evidence, all mixed together. So those of you who didn't come to the courtroom, you have missed the fun. Those who came to the courtroom, I'm sure you are all energized by what you heard and saw. So as always, we are grateful to you. The matter has been adjourned to 28th of May. We will be here, and I'm very hopeful that you will, as usual, come to give us the support that we always need. And on the days ahead of us, I will encourage you to come to the courtroom to observe proceedings as well, so that you can also put your fingers on the exact evidence and report appropriately and accordingly.
Counsel,
thank you very much.
You told the court that these 2 witnesses you are talking about are not in the country.
Yes.
The time given you, is it okay for you? Are you able
You see,
to bring...
I am very hopeful that at least one of them promised that he will be coming into the country on Monday. So nothing at all. I'm hopeful that we can have somebody who file his witness statement for us to go through, and then in the process we'll also find a second one, hopefully before the other one is discharged, so we can file that one too and rely on that. There is also a possibility of filing another one who would be our 3rd witness. So we haven't finished yet. We still have a story to tell, and we will tell our story within the law, and also expect that the court becomes a court, and that the court is a court. It is very necessary when I say that, because the provisions of our constitution requires that people are given fair hearing, adequate time and resources to be able to prepare defenses where you are charged of criminal offenses. And it is not for nothing that the framers of our constitution enshrined in the constitution this provision of adequacy of time for preparation in answer to criminal charges. It is to insulate all of us against persecution and unwarranted arrest and trials. Thank you very much. Have a good evening.
anwumre mo hwe ya ye pie nyina ye nige esanse witness a star witness and then na ye nigina box mu na send a court to call no it was interesting ma court to them when you missed but me gidi say the way you report it no na lawyer penny no mama ye report no send a course yes remo say any dey ya fam dey awie enye ye na e betro judgment enti but dey hwe ye koye dey enne mutumi hu say chairman nya kwanya for the first time onokura to me catch court the way he feels about the matter enti na ye mix of evidence and emotions muhu ya ni nyina frefrae boni bia nim wa ne sa nyame adom ya wie no na enka aka ye 2 witnesses enti ye sre court to say o ma e kwan kakra na yentumi eme file with the statements na from mra esanso o mu ni kromu ha prosecution no person obeti ase na lawyer penny so sorry e ma court hu say constitution na boy ho ban enu ne mra kase a ye de ye adwuma enti se no mu article 19:1 no e kire se ye di sansemi fa kwadu bo ho a ye de bo obi a o se e ma no adequate time to prepare oh yes no judge no so agitum na mom o share say enyere ye ho na da otwi ode amaye